Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram. Something went wrong. There is an issue and page could not be loaded in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, if you're using PC or laptop and want to log in your Instagram account on your PC or laptop and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back. So guys, after going to back, you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if you have already connected, you have to disconnect your internet and connect it again after while seconds. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, after this you have to open your internet browser in which you are using your Instagram. And guys, from here you need to make sure that if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And guys, after doing this, you have to click on three dots. And guys, after this, here you can see the option of history. You have to open your history here. And guys, you need to delete all the history from here. Here is the option of clear browsing data. So guys, simply you have to clear all the data. And guys, after doing this, you have to wait. And guys, now you can see here is the option of reset settings. You have to click on this. And guys, you need to reset all the settings of your Google Chrome in which you are using Instagram. And guys, after doing this, you need to click on extensions tab. And guys, from here you need to turn off all the extensions that you have installed in your Google Chrome. So guys, as you can see here, I have turned on IDM here, online security and multiple. So guys, simply you have to turn off all the extensions from here. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back and guys, open your Instagram again and log in again. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.